I'm very glad to be here and especially being part of the Engineering Expo, GST Energy Go. Of course, we were always expanding. We had a major breakthrough across the national globe, but I'm very glad that we have closed down deals with our African counterparts and companies, and we have expanded ourselves to an African market. I like to especially acknowledge my team. I like to especially acknowledge the DST team who have done what was impossible at that time, growing from nationally to where we stand today. I'm extremely honored and thrilled to be part of this team. Great work, DST team. It's something which was not possible. So I'd like to especially acknowledge Trade Development Authority of Pakistan for an amazing work they have done and for a great show which has been put in. I'm so glad to see foreign delegates having arrived here, especially in the COVID environment. It's a great opportunity for us, for companies who are in Pakistan to connect with our African counterparts and companies and expand ourselves to where we stand today. It's a great opportunity for those companies who are looking, of course, to go into other than Asian markets. So I'm so glad to see we had connections with African buyers, Central Asian states representatives, and everyone. It's excellent work, Trade Development Authority. Keep it up.